Looking for the best beginner-friendly cruisers of 2025? Let's break down the top picks designed to make learning smooth, safe, and fun. First up, the Yamaha V Star 250. At just 324 pounds, with a super low 27-inch seat, it's simple, light, and easy to handle. Old school tech, yes, but perfect for riders just starting out. Next, the Honda Rebel 300, one of the most popular entry bikes ever. With 25 horsepower, fuel injection, and a 6-speed gearbox, it's reliable, smooth, and stylish. The stripped-down bobber look makes it a favorite for new riders. For a bit more classic flair, meet the Royal Enfield Goan Classic 350. Its retro design, white wall tires, and mini 8 bars stand out, while the manageable single-cylinder engine keeps things calm and approachable. If modern features are your thing, check out the CFMoto 450cl-C. It brings ABS, traction control, a TFT dash, and even a slipper clutch, rare at this price point. Plus, its 40 horsepower twin offers plenty of room to grow. Want more power but still beginner-friendly? The Kawasaki Eliminator might be the sweet spot. It borrows a proven engine from the Ninja 400, adds a low seat, agile handling, and full ABS. A light but capable cruiser that won't overwhelm new riders. Finally, the Honda Rebel 1100 DCT, not cheap, but its automatic clutch system is a real game-changer. Beginners can focus on balance and steering, while still enjoying highway-ready power and comfort. From lightweight classics to tech-packed newcomers, the 2025 cruiser lineup has something for every fresh rider. Which one would you start your journey with?